Paintless Dent Repair. How much does it cost? Let's find out.
All right, here's our dent. It comes to about right here to about right here. I'm gonna measure it. This dent right here measures 4 inches, not from here to here, but from here to here. We gotta knock down this whole smile. Put the light a little further back, you'll see it. It sticks out here. We're gonna have to knock that down, knock all this down. All right, that's where we're getting 4 inches. Okay, so let's write our estimate. We got our car in here. Services, price of dent, right rear door, we said 4 inches. 4 inches, there it is. We'll call it shallow. And that is how we get our price. Put it in my Mobile Tech RX, which is basically the industry standard for PDR. Prices are preset, insurance approved, you know, very standard pricing. You just put the measurement in, it's already in there. So pretty cool app. And that is how we get our prices.